Okay, so since the last video, I have calculated the area under each portion of this curve, and each of those corresponds to a volume. So I'm going to add up all 10 volumes here, and that's going to give me the volume of the boat, which is going to be A equals 0.00125 plus 0.05 plus 0.2375 plus 0.3875 plus 0.455 plus 0.3625 plus 0.2125 plus 0.04625 plus 0.015. So add those up, use the calculator to help me with this. 125 plus 0.05 plus 0.2375 plus 0.3875 plus 0.455 plus 0.3625 plus 0.2125 plus 0.04625 plus 0.015. And that gives me the area total. I shouldn't really write area there because this is really going to be a volume calculation. The volume is 1.7675 feet cubed in my kind of imaginary boat. Now, this is all based on the area below the water line for each station, but I've got half stations, or just one half of the center line of the boat. So really this number needs to get doubled. So I'm going to do the actual volume is 1.7675 times 2. That's 3.535 feet cubed. Now I want to figure out, well, how much can this boat hold then? This is cubic feet, but really I need to know what is the displacement in pounds. So the displacement, the cubic foot of water in pounds, and I'm just, I forget what it is exactly, 68 or something like that. 62. It depends on the density of water that you use, but typically we're going to say 62.4 pounds per cubic foot of water. That's our scale factor. So we'll say 62.4 times our cubic foot volume displacement gives 220.584 pounds. So I think we'll just probably write 220 pounds would be the answer to this. Notice that when we look at the figure, although I have lots of stations, sometimes this trapezoidal mark goes slightly above and sometimes it goes slightly below. I would say on balance, on this figure, there's probably more space below than above. So if anything, this is probably underestimated, and that's okay. When you do your problem set, you're going to compare your number to the one that's on Clint's specifications, and you should be pretty close. I believe I think it's 500 and something pounds, and I got high 400s or something like that when I did the calculation. So you should be able to get pretty close to that. All right, good luck.